New carbon fiber engine cover from Japan. Carbon Addicts. Feels pretty light. Tried carbon fiber. Let me unwrap this really quick out of the bubble wrap. Alright, so I got 2 boxes. I actually bought both versions of the Carbon Addicts RCF, whatever, V8 engine cover, IS500. And this video is going to show the differences between the two. This one I pre-ordered. There was no forge option at the time. You can tell the box is a little different than this one. So I'm going to show you this one really quick. This is how it's packaged. It's pretty much how it came. Actually, well, these things were shifted a little bit. Paperwork. And then, yeah, all wrapped. Put this aside, and then this is the new one. This is all taped up. I'm gonna open this up really quick. It's much more fancier. Box is really nice. Let me get them both out and then you can see them side by side. Here is the cover out of the packaging. This is the forged accent version. And this is the straight carbon fiber. Just notice it's just carbon fiber weave there. And they're both very, very glossy. Here's another angle. I'll turn these over so you can see the other side. This will help you guys decide if you want to pick it up. I'm going to weigh them before I install it as well. Here's the back side of this one. So no grommets. You're supposed to transfer it over from your factory cover, but I decided not to. So what I did is I ordered a bunch of grommets, brand new OEM. Here's the part number for 12 of them. Each cover takes about 4, so 8 of these will go to these covers. My plan is to keep this one. This one wasn't available for pre-order. When I pre-ordered it, I pre-ordered this one. And then when this shipped, there was an option for forged. Right here. So I decided to order another one. Now I got 2 covers. I'm gonna keep this one, install it, and then sell this one off. Let me put these on a weigher and weigh them with the grommet and without the grommets. And then I'll install it in the car. Okay, so I'm gonna do a measuring on this scale I got just to show you. I'm just gonna have an empty box to kind of space it up. Zero it out. Let's do pounds first. Then we'll go with the regular one. This is without the grommets in place. So this is 1.5 pounds. See that? 1.5. Take it off. You'll see it zero back out. Put it back again. 1.5. And that is 0.7 kilograms. And now we'll do the forged carbon one. Again, zeroed out. Oh wow, holy crap. Oh, it's actually heavier, ironically. So it's 0.84 kilograms and 1.85. As you can see right there. Again, this is the forged one. So if you're actually looking for weight savings, don't get the fourth one. You want to get this one, the regular carbon Tweo one, without the forge accents. Next is these grommets. I have it zeroed out, nothing on the scale weight. Throw 4 of them on, and the weight is 0.02 kilograms, and then 0.05 pounds. Take these off so you guys can see. Oop, back to 0. Alright, so like I showed last time, these grommets don't come with the engine cover. You can purchase these. This is the part number right there. Or you can take the ones off your OEM engine cover, just transfer it over. So I'm gonna try to install these on here while I'm recording. Let's see. Okay. So I think a tool like this will help. So I'm gonna try it on camera. Let's see how it goes. Okay, might need to get some metal. I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver and try it. I got half of it on right now, as you can see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I picked up, or I grabbed this from my toolbox. It's just a flathead stubby. I'm gonna try to see if it helps me get it any better. Okay, yeah. I suggest using the flathead screwdriver, not the metal one. So now you can see this one's installed. And I'm gonna get the other ones installed as well. not the easiest thing to install. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 installed. Okay, one last look with the stock engine cover. I'm gonna take the strut bar off because it's kind of in the way. I can't lift up the engine cover without getting the strut bar out of the way. Alright, strut bar is out. All I have to do is just lift it now in all 4 corners. Now that is out. Here's the bottom of the cover. You've never seen it. And now we are gonna install this one. Where's the other clip? Over here. Ooh. Those clips are really tight because they're brand new. Alright, so here is the engine cover installed completely with the strut bar. I think it goes really well with everything. I got the lamps, intake, and previously the Figs air oil separator with the radium catch can. Top strut bar as well. I like this one better than the other engine covers available because it gets rid of the F emblem location. This is routed nice. One other cool thing I accidentally found in the box is this license plate frame that Carbon Addicts supplied. So this is actually carbon fiber as well. Flip it to the back, as you can see. Yep. I don't believe the first pre-order kit I got had this. I'm gonna double check the box. But the second cover that I bought, yeah, the second cover I bought, this one right here had it. Alright, so this is the factory cover, and we're gonna weigh it. It is 3 pounds exactly. .36 kilograms.